So we will talk about mixed cell referenced in deeply. So you can see here some data with the name, department, salary, bonus, and tax. So we will count. We have tax 1, 3%, and remaining are changes. So I will choose first salary. So total salary, for total salary, we will add the bonus. For that one, I should take how much it will be. So 6,000 is 180 rupees only. So we need to make this one to add also. We'll go here and just click the salary plus C3. So it will add this one 6,180. So for now we will use mixed cell reference. We have 3% this one. So total salary minus total salary into this one 3 percentage yani F1. So for this one, if I choose and just drag, it will be change the reference, but I need that 3% for all, not for this one also. See, the formula are changes. So see here F2, and if I go down it will be F3. If I go down more, F4. This one changes by relative cell reference. So now I have to make this one mixed cell reference for the 3%. So I will go here and just see F1. So F should be same. For that one should be dollar sign. So we will press F4, it will be make fixed. Then now one is dollar sign. So F is relative and one is fixed. So this one called mixed cell reference. Yani one is not another cell reference, one is another cell reference. It is called mixed cell reference. You can use anywhere for this mixed cell reference. So if you need more assist, comment down below.